up, YouTube? Today, DJ full. Wait, first look at the weather. You probably can't see it because my phone has crap graphics, and they're gonna race.
No, we're not gonna race. Hell no.
They're gonna race.
No,
The umbrellas are mounted on the bikes. So I'll start them off. 3.
Wait. My floors have slippers. They can just like slam.
All right. So whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
Remember when you were like, my house looks, my garage looks newer than yours?
Yeah.
It's funny because this house is actually like 2 or 3 years newer than my house.
It is?
Alright, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, begin. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go, bro. I just raced in his garage. I'm gonna give you like a look at the car, bro. Look at the car. Gonna cover the license plate. If you see the license plate, just, you know. Yeah, I'm just not gonna show the back. Alright, and over there, you're gonna run back, you're gonna come back. 3. They're coming back, guys. They're coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's gonna get him. He's coming back.
Oh, yeah, no break.
Nicholas is still there because that's his house, of course.
Didn't work.
Look at this on his bike. Look at this on his bike. Look at it do. Look at it do. Look at it do. Coming in a year later. Now.
Take off my shoes.
And now I'm gonna record them.
Alright, I'm gonna go back.
I'm gonna record them on my bike.
I gotta go take off my shoes over here.
Alright, I'm gonna record you guys on this bike. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. Are you done?
Yeah, in the rain?
Yeah.
Sure.
I'll follow you.
It didn't even work. That's the thing.
Alright.
So,
Yo, I'm not gonna follow them straight up. I'm just gonna like go close.
the bike doesn't kick anymore. It works now. I'm going back.
This dude, I'm not going, you know, yeah, no, I lied about the bike thing. But, yeah. Now, let's see at the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel because I just started this channel. You know, my channel name is Gaming with Elijah. I'm going to change it to Gaming and Vlogs with Elijah Randall. Well, it's already random. I just need to put gaming and vlogs. You, dude, they're racing back. This dude is gonna run me over here. So look at his brakes. If he goes really fast.
Oh, damn! Oh,
Yo, you're retarded. Yo,
holy shit. I told you it had no brakes, bro.
yo.
It had no brakes.
Yo, I'm just gonna go take a joyride.
You better hurry.
No.
Yo, this is why I did. Yo,
I came in hot, bro.
What?
You see the big umbrella?
Yeah. What? Are you taking something? No, it's too heavy.
Bro. I can't get this with my hand. Fuck.
Guys, are you gonna do another race? I now follow you if you do another race.
Racing, dumbass.
We'll ride from here to Nicholas's house.
God, what we break?
I'm not a dumbass. Not really. Goodbye. Oh,
Bro, can you like move, bro?
alright. Every mix of gas.
You're gonna have to use this one a
I'm
lot.
gonna take off my suspension.
Whoa. Alright, so.
I'm gonna take off my suspension.
Alright.
You're gonna tighten it?
No, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, suspension's gonna hurt your stuff.
No, it's not.
Keep going.
Here's stuff.
Yeah.
The only suspension I'll have is.
Yo, you're wetting me.
Can't back up.
So you're.
Because I can't get this to come on.
I will only have front suspension.
Is this gonna be an end of the video, guys, or no?
Literally, if you go straight down.
Alright, guys, this is the end of the video.
Okay, you're not popular. You're not gonna make me.
So we're gonna end the video here. Thank you, like and subscribe.